How to fix Instagram not sending a security code. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. So in some cases, if your app is not updated, you won't be able to receive any security codes. To do that, make sure that you have updated your app. Head over to Play Store and at the top search bar type in Instagram. If you see update sign here, update your app. Now check if it works for you, and if it's still not working, open up your device's settings and scroll below to apps. Here at the top search bar, type in Instagram. Then tap on storage. Then tap on clear cache. Now check if this fixes your problem. And if this solution is not working for you, then you need to uninstall this application and reinstall it again. Long tap onto the application and tap on uninstall. Then just restart your device and this will fix your problem. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.